Hello, let us look at how to report on the highest traffic generating content piece and the trend of traffic, right? The insight here is to understand which content pieces are driving the most traffic and thus have a better presence than others or are being distributed better or more than the others. Again, if you look at the trend, we can see the ones that are seeing an increase in traffic and the ones where there has been a decrease in traffic, and of course, which means it needs some revamp or some work to distribute those traffic, to distribute those content pieces. This is how the report looks like. The first column is of course the URL, the content piece, and then we have the total sessions. If you sort it by the total sessions in a descending order, of course these are the ones that are driving the most traffic, hence are more popular or have better presence or are being distributed more. Now, if you go to the pages at the last, you would see the ones that are not being distributed as you would expect them to, right? So of course, if you see any of your blogs that you are expecting to see in the top 10 or top 20 but are not present over here, then of course those need some work to distribute them more, right? Now let us move to the trend over here, right? So this is a month-on-month trend from November to January. Again, you can switch to week-on-week and change the time period here, maybe, right? So of course, it's clear that this particular blog there was an increase in some traffic, but again the traffic has reduced over here, right? So it's maybe worth investigating as to why this has occurred, right? But yeah, this one is seeing a increasing trend in traffic. So and some good work here done by our SEO team, right? Again, if we go to the bottom, yeah, this one, there is some reason as to why we are seeing a decreasing trend. Again, not much of a difference over here, but again can say that the traffic has reduced, so maybe this one needs some distribution again, right? Especially this one over here, as you can see, there has been a steep decrease in traffic, right? So again, this is something that we would be revamping and reworking and trying to redistribute this one. Yeah. So again, these are the insights that you can get from this particular report. Again, the way to build this report is to ensure that first you're in the analyze section, then go to KPIs, then add the KPI total sessions. Again, you can switch to total users to get the unique users, new users, repeat users, a bunch of other website analytics KPIs over here. Then you can filter it by saying landing page URL contains let's say blog or whatever that particular slug is for you. You can add multiple ones by first selecting this one, and then you can change it to, let's say, conversations, and you can select this one and then click on apply. So both would be selected. Then you can break it on my landing page URL, and let me run this, say, for a month. So yeah, you can see the report over here, and then you can change the trend by going to the line chart over here, right? And you can change it to weekly trend, and then you would have the week on week trend over here, right? You can change it to, let's say, a quarter, and then you would see the monthly trend appearing over here as well. If you have any more questions, comment on this video or reach out to your contact factors. Thank you so much.